Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on an Audi A4. We bought this car for 1,500 bucks. It's a 2003 model, and the guy that owned that thing, he was a young kid and he overheated it. Okay, the radiator had a slow leak, and let me show you what kind of damage he did, because he didn't replace the radiator. So it was leaking badly, and he lost antifreeze. And he put more antifreeze, and then he overheated it, and he blew the head gasket. But he started putting some additives and stuff and driving it, and one day on the highway he ran out of coolant. And as you can see, those are the additives that he used. He plugged up the whole system. You can see how much he used. And he was on the highway driving, and he ran out of antifreeze, out of coolant. And instead of stopping, which could have been just a radiator and a head gasket, and resurface the head, or the worst case would be like new head for 500 bucks. Okay, he kept driving until the car died. He said he was running out of power, really stupid kid, and he just kept giving it more gas until it goes. And finally it died, and let me show you the damage now. It's not only the cylinder head, it's the block too, right here. It ate the cylinder. That's where the water was going, inside the cylinder, as you can see. And it also ate the piston right here. This one is not supposed to be here. As you can see, this one is supposed to be like that, and it started forming a little bit of spot right here, but right there it just ate the whole piston. The water ate the piston, because that water is getting inside the cylinder. It's really hot, and as you can see, that's the stuff coming out of the coolant. You see, just stupidity. So now, instead of just putting a new head gasket and resurface or a new head for 500 bucks at most, we're gonna spend about 2,000 bucks on an engine, used engine, and a lot more work just from not paying attention and not replacing your radiator. So that's important. If your car loses coolant, stop driving it. I mean, just find a safe spot and pull out of the road, so you can minimize the damage, and it's gonna cost you way less than putting a new engine. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.